Hi everyone, welcome to e-learning. Today I have come up with one more problem on binomial distribution. The problem goes like this. 10 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of obtaining first one exactly 6 heads, second one no heads, and third one at least 1 head. Let us proceed with the solution. They asked three probabilities, that is exactly 6 heads, and second one is no heads, and third one is at least 1 head. So you need to find out three probabilities that exactly 6 heads out of 10 tosses, no heads, and at least 1 head. We will proceed with the first one, that is exactly. Before that, let x be a random variable. It is number of x be the number of heads. X be the number of heads. Then the parameters of binomial distribution is, or the binomial distributions are n and p. Here n equals to how many coins are there? There are 10 coins. There are 10 coins tossed simultaneously. So our n is 10. So probability of heads. If you toss a coin, then probability of occurring a particular head is 0.5 and tail is 0.5. So here P is 0.5. Then you need to find out Q, that is Q is 1 minus P. 1 minus P is 0.5. So Q is also 0.5. Then the probability mass function of binomial distribution is the formula. It goes like this: ncx into e raised to x into q raised to n minus x. Then the first thing is we need to find out this exactly 6 heads, that is the number of heads should be 6. Exactly 6 heads. Then probability of exactly 6 heads equals to, here probability of x equals to 6. So probability of x equals to 6 is nothing but probability of 6. That is, wherever x is there, you need to insert the particular number 6. That is, if you take n, we insert here probability mass function, that is ncx into p raised to x into n raised to n minus x. X is, n is 10, c 6 into p is 0.5 raised to 6, and q is 0.5 raised to 10 minus 6. Then here 10c6 is there. You need to find out 10c6. I'll find it here. 10c6 equals to, for this we need to apply a formula, ncr equals to n factorial divided by n minus r whole factorial into r factorial. The same way 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 6 whole factorial into 6 factorial. 10 factorial is I'll write as it is. So here 10 factorial, 10 minus 6 factorial is 4 factorial, 6 factorial, remaining is 6 factorial. So 10 factorial, 10 into 10 factorial is nothing but from 10 to 1, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 6, no, 7 into 6. I'll stop at 6. Here 4 factorial is there, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then again 6 factorial is there. I'll write 6 factorial because this 6 factorial and this 6 factorial goes 4 ones are. You may again simplify here, or you can multiply all these numbers by this. That is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 7. That is 5040, and 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 24. The answer is 210. This is 10C6. We will insert here 210 into 0.5 power of 6 is there. So 0.5 6 times, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 6 times, that is 0.0156 into 0.5. 10 minus 6 is there, 10 minus 6 is 4, so 0.5 4 times, that comes around 0.0625. Then if you multiply all these, you will get 210 into 0.0156 into 0.0625. You will get 0.2047. So this is an answer. Exactly 6 heads. Exactly 6 heads. Remove this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 1. No heads. This means if you toss a 10 coins simultaneously, then you need to find out no heads will occur. No heads means all the 10 coins, the tail will occur. That is no heads, you need to find out. Again we will write it here. Probability no heads. If probability no heads is nothing but probability of x equals to 0. X is, we have given a name, that is number of heads. Heads is 0. No heads means 0 heads. That is, you need to find out probability of 0. Probability of 0 is nothing but whenever x is there, you need to fill up with a 0. We will write a probability mass function. Probability mass function of binomial distribution is here ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So probability of 0 is nothing but 10c 0 into 0.5 raised to 0 into 0.5, q is 0.5 raised to n minus x is 10 minus 0. Then here 10c0 is there. Yesterday in last video we have seen 10c0. I have given you a shortcut ncn, nc1 and nc0. ncn is always 1, nc1 is always n, nc0 is always 1. So here nc0, that is 10c0 is there, it will always 1. If even you can cross check with this formula into 0.5 raised to 0, that is power of 0 is always 1. Then 0.5, 10 minus 0 is 10. So 0.5 power of 10 is the 0.5 10 times. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, it comes 0.00097. So if you simplify this, you will get 0.00097. So this is a probability that no heads will occur out of 10 coins. So that this is a probability. I remove it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Third one, at least one head, that is probability at least one head. Out of 10 coins, we need to find out the probability that at least one head. So probability at least one head is probability of x is more than or equals to 1. At least means minimum 1. So it may be 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 heads. So there are totally 10 coins. That's why if here x is more than 1 or greater than 1, here at least means we need to understand minimum 1 head. So maximum it may be what, how much is n is there, it is 10. So x is greater than 1. If x is probability of x is greater than 1, we need to find out probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3, like this, plus probability of 10 till from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we need to find out. So it will be very lengthy. That's why we need to find out the reverse one, that is the whole probability is 1, that is 1 minus probability of x is less than 1. Here greater than is there, here less than 1, that is 1 minus probability of x is less than 1, that we will take it here. 1 minus probability of x is less than 1 is we have only 0, that is probability of 0. So we need to find out for the probability of 0. So 1 minus probability of 0 we have found out in a, we have already calculated in a last section, that is no heads, that comes around 0.00097. So the answer would be 0.9990. This is a probability that at least one head will occur out of 10 unbiased coins tossed simultaneously. Also, you can take note of this problem and you can try for a similar problems and to find out solutions for a similar problems. Thank you.